I spent $1,000 on this box of goods you see right here from Amazon.com. I expect to make over $10,000 in the next 3 months from these items. I'm gonna unbox and talk about that exact strategy in today's video. It's over a 10x ROI, return on investment. I believe now is the single best time in history to start in this opportunity, so you don't want to wait. I don't see or hear a whole lot of people talking about this, and there's really 3 easy, simple steps to get started. Step number 1 is asking yourself, are you a consumer or a producer? An example of a consumer is somebody that purchases trinkets like this. I bought this $10 to $15 light that clips on your book and illuminates the words and pages so that you can read at night, which is pretty convenient. An example of a producer is purchasing a $400 Shure microphone, and I'm gonna talk about my exact strategy with this and how I plan to deploy it in today's video. Step number 2 is identifying what is your producer plan. Once you have the items, once you have the tools, once you have the ideas, how do you pull it all together to get started and actually put it to use and start making money online like I have? And then finally, step number 3 is to deploy macro patience and micro urgency. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. So you don't want to wait. Let's get started now. If you're excited to unbox these items, hit the like button now. Comment down below for the algorithm. Our channel goal is 15,000 subscribers. Let's get there by the end of the day. So make sure you're subscribed now. I'm gonna start by unboxing these items and talk about the opportunity that I've been referencing in today's video. I'm gonna randomly reach down and unbox these items. So starting with item number 1, we have the Scarlett 2i2. And to be honest, guys, I don't know what this is, but it cost over $150, $180. Basically what it says is it's a 3rd generation 2-in, 2-out USB audio interface. Going back to the microphone I dropped $400 on, I realized, how do I actually set this microphone up? You see people in these YouTube videos with perfect audio. You see them with these microphones clipped to their desk. And I'm always thinking, how do they get the audio to actually sync up with the video? And it's never made sense to me until I decided to put in 2 hours of research and I identified that I need a Scarlett 2i2 in order to actually connect this Shure microphone to my computer. It's literally a red box. It is a red box, guys. It is not as heavy as you would think it would look. It's pretty sturdy. My head's made of wood. So item number 2, this one's exciting. This is the Psa1 Studio Arm, and it's actually made by Rode. So I didn't buy the arm that was on brand with my Shure microphone, which I kind of regret because it has these kind of like Rode bands around it, which I don't necessarily want to look at. But this microphone you see on my shirt right here that's always out in the videos, it's a Rode microphone. It's wireless, it's connected to my camera, and that's why I have such perfect audio in all of these videos, because it's important to invest in the audio so it sounds good so you can hear and have a great experience. And I want to provide you guys a great experience, so that's what we're talking about. So we're unboxing these heavy, expensive, I think this is $115 items without even looking. So this, I'm guessing, is the arm. It is heavy. It is heavy. This could be an actual weapon in a club. Okay, so this is sturdy. I wish you guys could feel how sturdy this is. This is gonna clip somewhere like that. So I'm gonna be like, hey, what's up, what's up? And guys, so you know, we're not just doing an unboxing video. This is all coming together. Are you a consumer or a producer? Ask yourself right now, is this a consumer item or is this a producer item? What is the utility of this item that will help me to make more money online? And it's all gonna come together. It's all part of the plan. Just wait and see. Getting into the next item, which is also really important. This is the Brio Logitech Ultra HD webcam. This is so that I can shoot the highest quality video from my computer. And going back to what we talked about at the beginning, guys, you need that audio to match up with the video when you're just sitting there on the webcam. So I decided, I'm gonna cut myself. I decided that I'm gonna spend $140 on this new Logitech webcam so that I can have some crystal clear video with my crystal clear audio. And guys, for those of you that stick around until the end of the video, this is all a part of a plan, and I wanna help you make money online. And you watch a lot of videos like this and you think, I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I have the actual steps. It's confusing. I get motivated, but then I don't actually take any action. So my second channel, Sales Prestige, it recently became monetized. Of course, this channel you're watching is monetized. In order to monetize on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers. And then, that's a nice webcam right there, by the way, right? That's pretty slick. You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. The watch time is what's really hard. I monetized my second podcast channel and I am looking for people out there that have a talent and that have a will to be great. People that may have an existing podcast or people that may not have a podcast. The reason I'm making this unboxing video is because I think people like to see unboxing videos. It's just oddly satisfying. I don't exactly know why. But secondly, you're interested, how can I make money online? So I am showing you the exact kit you need to make money online. And you may be thinking, well, Trent, I don't know what to talk about. I don't have a platform. I don't know what to do. Luckily for you, as a result of watching this video, I have the platform. I have this YouTube channel, Trent Dressel. But my second YouTube channel, which make sure you're subscribed to if you're not already, it's called Sales Prestige. I post my podcast once a week. I've done that for about 20 weeks straight, and the channel's monetized. So now that channel is paying me, I'm making money. I am interested in other people out there that want to produce for that channel. Preferably you have an existing podcast, and these are cables, guys, that you actually connect, the XLR cables. These are XLR cables, and this is what you connect the microphone to the actual red scarlet box. So you can see it's starting to come together. I'm interested in people that have shows today that are making podcasts for Spotify and for Apple, but maybe don't have that video component. I want to help you set up the infrastructure with that video component so that you can post on my channel. I want you to post your content on my channel because it's already monetized and you will automatically start to make money. You don't have to worry about posting it. You don't have to worry about making thumbnails. You don't have to worry about tagging it, SEO, descriptions, editing, making shorts. I have the infrastructure for all that. So I'm looking for 1 to 3 people out there, and there's gonna be thousands that watch this video. I'm looking for 1 to 3 people that have a show today or have an idea to make a show that revolves around money, revolves around business, revolves around sales. And preferably, for those of you familiar with 30 Minutes to President's Club, I want those guys. That's gonna be one of my shows. So if any of you guys know those 2 guys, Nick and Armand, let them know I wanna talk to them because I want them to post their videos on my podcast. 1, because it's gonna make them money immediately. But 2 is because there's shared synergy with multiple top tier sales, B2B, money, podcasts geared to people in their teens, 20s, 30s, 40s on one place. We want to corner the market. And I don't think people are thinking about collaboration like that. So that is my strategy. And that's how I plan to continue to produce. And along with producing, you must consume along the way to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And that's why I also purchased this $300 Garmin Forerunner 245 music wristwatch. It's gonna measure my heart rate and time and running and all this stuff. I'm training for a marathon right now. So I wanted to get this watch. That's the interface right there. It's clean, guys. I don't know if it's waterproof. That's the first thought that comes to my mind for some reason, but I'm excited for that, guys. And then finally, the big daddy, which is the Shure Microphone. This thing is $400, okay? Shure Microphone. It is the best of the best on the market. And I want to show this to you guys. It's the first time I'm opening it. It's so nice. You see, these are the ones the pros use, guys. This is how they record audio online. And if you watch until the end, this video is almost done. I'm going to talk about the steps to actually get in contact with me to share your ideas or show with me. Woo! Look at that. Testing. We are live. Man, we're gonna make some great content with this mic right here. These are the items. You saw the items. It's the Shure microphone. It's the Scarlett audio mixer thing. It is the arm. It's the XLR cables. And then, the final, last but least, cannot forget about this, guys. This is the cloud, whatever. I don't exactly know. It's some cloud amplifier. You connect this to your microphone, to the red thing, and it amplifies. This is like $150. So as you guys can see, you can look up the items, but we're not faking it. I spent over $1,000 on these items, and it is a podcast item. It's a way to create content. I plan to use it eventually for this channel. Maybe I'll start a new channel, but also with the Sales Prestige channel, I plan to make podcasts. And I was thinking to myself, I'm making money from it, but how can I use the money I'm making to not just put in my pocket, consume, but to use to actually produce? That's the fundamental shift. How do you get into the produce mode? And then once you get in the produce mode, what is your produce plan? Okay, I plan to pull it all together. I plan to make content. I plan to post it consistently. I plan to maybe create a product like I have. If you go to softwaresalesguide.com, I now have a website. I have a product, okay, and I'm selling it, and there's high margins. We're selling a lot of products. Now we're making more money. Now we're starting to have this producer plan. It's all coming together. Now I'm giving you a producer plan. I'm saying, you don't even need to have a platform. You just need to be somebody driven with an idea. Maybe you're familiar with me, maybe you're not. Maybe you're just meeting me from the first time, and that's okay. But I'm looking for 1 to 3 people that have great ideas, that have great content, that have great energy, that other people want to connect with, see, hear, feel, touch, smell, absorb, relate with, and just be in that relationship together. I want to join forces with you. I want to share the wealth. I want to collaborate, and I want to post your stuff on my channel. I want to pay you for it. I want to grow you. And that is my plan for the second channel. That is my producer's plan. And then finally, macro patience, micro urgency. The biggest problem I deal with as a 26-year-old guy working in software sales, I'm hyper competitive. I make a lot of money, but I'm still a status-driven monkey. I care about my title, I care about beating other people, probably a little too much, and it's a problem. And I'm always in this mode of I want everything now. But I gotta keep the patience of saying, it's gonna come with time. Would you rather be a 26-year-old guy that has not made it yet, or would you rather be an 80-year-old guy that has made it? Think about that. Once you've actually made it, okay, you're out of time. Having time is actually the most important thing, and that's why we should have macro patience and say, okay, it may take 20 years to figure it out, whatever, that's what it's gonna take. But in order to get to that point and that desired outcome, it's all about the micro urgency. Day in and day out, learning, making the money, outworking people, outlearning people, outlasting people, outgrowing people, not being out of the office, but you're in the office, you're working hard, you're growing, you're learning, you're getting better. That is my unboxing video. I spent $1,000. You can look up all the items and you can track it. You can track me. So make sure to subscribe. I plan to make over $10,000 with the items in today's video. I've outlined the entire strategy and game plan for you to go into producer mode, for you to identify your producer plan, and then for you to have the patience, but then actually start taking action today. Don't just watch this and say, I'll start tomorrow. Today is the day to start. And if you happen to be one of the few special people, I think you're all special as watching, but if you really think you're exceptional and special, I want you to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm gonna put a link below. You gotta be subscribed to Sales Prestige, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, and connect with me on LinkedIn and message me and say, Trent, I wanna collaborate with you, and this is my idea. This is the work I've made. This is my plan. If you don't come to me with an idea, then I'm not gonna get back to you. I want you to share a great thought with me for me to say, you know what? We'll start a show from scratch. We'll start posting it here, and you already have a platform. You already have an audience. You're already gonna start making money. But you don't just luck into that. You gotta put some thought into it. So I really hope that some of us can work together, but I also hope that you found value in today's video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below. If you haven't commented already, comment some emoji that's red below if you don't know what to say to symbolize these scissors and blood. That's the theme of my channel, red. We're always on the attack. Make sure you're subscribed as well. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.